Alright, so what's good YouTube man? It's your boy Fix here, and in today's video I would be more than happy to assist anyone to learn day trading. Right, that's the whole purpose of the video, bro. I mean, I understand Trump markets are trash right now, but I mean, I'm selling, so I'm making money because in this particular trade that I took today, I took a sell, I took a supply trade today, bro. We all know what's going on. We all know the markets, everything is shaky. Everyone is selling, everyone is panicking. So there's so many sellers in the market right now, and as a result, I'm looking to sell. I took a sell today on this particular setup here. The supply setup was a beautiful setup, and I was literally able to catch a 1 to 5 ratio, and I was able to make over $5,000. And this is what I try to say persons like, you know, if you've always wanted to learn day trading, but you're hesitating and you're waiting to learn, like, bro, right now is a perfect opportunity. Like, there's so many opportunities out there, bro, where you can make money in day trading, but because you're scared and you're afraid of failing, you allow that mindset to prevent you from taking a step and making the right move for yourself. But if you click on this video, bro, um, I want you to go after day trading. I want you to learn this industry because this industry is here for everyone, bro. But anyways, right now, because I mean, of course, I feel this way because I just made money. I mean, I've been making money consistently, but right now, like, because the market is going to be so freaking predictable, like, this is the time to make money, bro. Like, this is the time to make so much money because sellers are in the market. Yeah, I mean, if you look on the daily time frame, all right, yeah, supply trade, mark up the zone here, price went back to my zone, structure got broken as usual. I mean, if you guys understand how I trade, then everything should be good. But if you guys see me do that, I'm just trying to make sure that my computer is working properly because it's giving some issues and I want to make sure. Okay, what am I looking for? Oh boy, I lost it. Whatever, doesn't really matter. But yeah, price came back to my zone. I took the entry, I took a broker candle entry, wait for this candlestick to break this candlestick here, entered stop loss right above this wick here, and I was literally trying to hold as long as possible. Once I got to a 1 to 5, I closed out the trade. And I mean, it's still gonna drop, bro. The market has been dropping. You know what's going on. All the war that's going on with China right now, I mean, it's causing the US dollar to drop for sure. I mean, it's been going up, that's for sure, but now it's kind of dropping, which makes sense. Um, but yeah, that's the overall market. Made some money today. I'm very much thankful as usual. But what can you guys learn from this video? Hmm, Christian, I'm always trying to drop some value. I can't leave you guys hanging like that. Let me see. Oh, let me zoom in on this trade here. All right, so this is like a revision trade, just because it's textbook. The trades that I take are so textbook. They have the same rules, they have the same principles as to why I'm taking these trades. Like, they all have the same rules and reasons for me to actually even consider them as a setup to risk my money on. That's what you gotta see your setup. Your trades, every trade you take, you have to see it as an investment because you're going to actually risk your hard-earned money in this trade. You want to make sure that there's a good chance it wins. Hence why you need a good strategy. But here, supply trade. Literally, so you know we're selling, right? Um, right here we have aggressive selling. Right in this location here, we had aggressive selling. Aggressive selling broke structure to the downside, so that was even more confidence that price will or wanted to go into the seller's direction because the sellers were breaking was breaking structure, right? Price break structure, waited for it to come back to my zone, and this rejection wick right here, if you can see closely, you'd realize that price did not close in my zone. And because price did not close in my zone, that was an amazing indication that price wanted to sell off. All right, price wanted to fall. Didn't close in my zone. That was one nice other indication that price wanted to sell off there. Enter the trade on this candle break here. Waited, as you can see, price came down a little bit, then it started reversing. I was not nervous at all, if you're wondering. Price came to my entry, then it rejected my entry and it started to fall. And this is when it went off crazy. And, you know, I held it for as long as possible. It was a little bit volatile, but that's fine. Held it for as long as possible and I made over $5,000. No, a lot of times persons would get out of the trade, especially if they entered and it started going in their direction and then it starts to go against them. At this point, a lot of persons would exit the trade because it's at their entry, they're panicking, they're wondering if they're going to lose the trade. But this is why experience is very important in trading. Over time you'd understand that that's a part of the game. I did not close. Waited patiently because I had a lot of confidence in this trade. Hold the trade. Price literally started rejecting my entry area and went down as much as possible, and I held it and I made 5k over $5,000. But I mean, yeah, just one trade. Didn't take a lot of trades today. Haven't been taking a lot of trades, but because of how the market is moving, it's so volatile. But I told myself that if I'm gonna ever take a trade right now, yes, I'll take buys, but I'm really looking to take sells, especially if I'm trading the US dollar. But that's really it for the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you've learned something, anything at all, you can practice my strategy if you want to learn. Post a comment in the comment section, and eventually in the future, if enough persons like these videos and want to learn, I will make a strategy video so everyone can learn and try to make some money day trading. I'm never trying to gatekeep, guys, but my channel is small right now, so I don't know if there's a lot of persons that really watch these videos yet, but over time I'm pretty sure a lot of persons are gonna come on the channel. But that's really it for the video. Have yourself a wonderful day. Peace out. I'm out.